Here's how to change your email address in your Xbox account. So first of all, go to your browser and search for Xbox and open xbox.com website. In here, click on your profile photo to sign into your Xbox account. So just go ahead and sign into your account. Once you successfully signed into your Xbox account, now click on your profile photo here and click on View Account. In here, you have to click on Your Info. In here, scroll down. Under Account Info section, click on Edit Account Info. And here you will find your current email address. All you have to need to change your email address, first of all, add here your new email address by clicking on Add Email. Now, select here Add Existing Email Address and enter here your new email address. Click on Add. Once you successfully added your new email address, now just come to this page again and remove your old email address from your Xbox account. So that's it for this tutorial.